Connect 2 points. Mr. Villarosa. The shooting guard. Now Barangay 25. It's still a Mr. Block was replay. Mr. Villarosa, timeout. Mr. Takulun. Mr. Padao. 15 to shoot. Hey, Pabre, not good. Mr. Neri. Connect 2 points, Mr. Villarosa. It's still again by Mr. Gamos. Mr. Gamos tinignan pa. Traveling without passport, Mr. Gamos. Oh. Biggie. Grabe, Mr. Castillo ang paralyzed at 35. Foul jersey number 90. Remaining time 4:57. First penalty. Baik, ini ang idol baik. Gunundagan mga chika ba? Mr. Castillo Manalili. Mr. Villarosa. Tumikibuok. 15 to shoot. Guys, tingnan si Pabre. Pabre. Pak. No. No, no. Foul, jersey number 10. Pabre. Offensive foul, Mr. MVP Ramos. First personal foul, Mr. Ramos.
Lions po.
Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Onabia. Ten to shoot. Mr. Villarosa. 15 to shoot. Connect 2 points, Villarosa. Fifteen to shoot. Foul. Mr. Villarosa again, jersey number 12. Sabrep. Second personal foul, penalty situation. Mr. Pandao connect 1 point. Fifteen shoot, Mr. Angel Global. Is still by Mr. Takulod. Is still by Mr. Global. Is still by Mr. Pabre. 8 to Onabia, connect 2 points, Onabia. Fifteen to shoot. Is still by Mr. Pandao. Pandao, foul! Number 10, pushing foul. Third,
Take it to the next level. Use Spotify Premium and experience your
penalty.
ability for all the high quality audio from a great lineup para sa sound. Who said karaoke nights can't be done in the palm of your hands? Build it out with lyrics on Spotify. Kahit anong kanta pa yan eh. Take the karaoke stage.
Connect, 2 points. Mr. Pandao. What a pass by Mr. Pandao. Pass replay to Takuno, correct, 2 points. Time out. For the first quarter, Mr. Pandao. What a move, connect, 2 points. Remaining time seconds to play. 55 seconds. 15 to shoot. Foul, Mr. Walk. First personal foul. Penalty rep. Penalty rep. Remaining time 45 seconds.
Maybe the lucky now, let me say, girl, what's up? Matigil na po yan, girl. Ganito yung hula. Come on, girl, baby, come on, baby, baby, come on, girl. Hula. Come on, girl, baby, would you wanna be my woman?
Connect. Thirteen seconds. 15 shot not to shoot. It's still Navia. Sabrep. Last 35 seconds. Penalty. Foul, Mr. Villarosa. Connect, 1 point.
Come on, girl, baby, would you wanna be my woman?
Connect again, Mr. Onapia. Change favor again. Favor off. Confirm Pandao. Last 13 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Foul. Mr. Boop. Second personal foul, penalty. Remaining time. Shot clock is set. Last 20 seconds for the last and for the first quarter.
Sa iyong lugan ko gusto na malumok. Di naka-break, nagnawadan ng busina. Tubaw nung nalawas sa salamisa. Ibu ako ay napagduda. Basta kitang luha magpuma.
Foul. Jersey number 13, Mr. Pandao. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Remaining time 19 seconds. Last 15. Last 10. Block by Mangaral. 5. What a block by Mangaral. Time for the first quarter. Mr. Onapia to Pandao.
So, play na lang with lyrics on Spotify.
15 to shoot. Mr. Bandao. What a move. Foul. Mr. Jersey number 13. Bandao. You got second personal foul. First team foul.
Bandao. Pobre, to Tacolo. Riba pada ke Masilio. Riba pada break, masuk ke Guenare. Guenare to lawan Kamal Gamon. Terade ini ke Gamon.
To shoot. Not good. Rebound by Mr. Castillo. Kickball violation. Mr. Bandao, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Not good. It's still by Mr. Takulun. Mr. Takulun dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. Attack for 3. Connect 2 points. Takulun. Big by Ronel Taculon. Sheesh. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Shot clock, wala na ito. Time out ulit. Score 30 against 26 in favor of Bandao Zone 4. What a pass! Blocked by Mr. Colinares to Mr. Castillo. Not good. Rebound by Mr. Colinares. Bola sa zone 4 Bandao. Mr. Takulon to Mr. 15 to shoot. What a pass! Wala lang na-counted. Mr. Gamos nagmamadali. Naghahanap ng mga papasahan. Pinasa ka Neri at elbow 3. Not good. Iba by Mr. Takulon. Takulon. Di uno si Takulon. Not table. 15 to shoot. Mr. Bandao. Foul again by Mr. Jersey number 13, Mr. Bandao. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Remaining time 8:39 for this quarter. Fifteen to shoot. Mr. by Mr. Takulon. Mr. Takulon to Bandao. Connect 2 points. Bandao. It. Mr. Globa. Nanggigil si Idol. Still by Mr. Pandao. Pass from Neto. Mr. Takulod. What a move! Connect 2 points. Takulod. Proud father. Mr. Ronel Takulod. What a pass! Foul! Counted! Mr. Jersey number 9, Onabia. First personal foul, 30 foul. Remaining time, 7:49 for the last quarter. Not good. Rebound by Mr. Bagam. Offensive foul si Idol.
Laro kayo.
Mr. Gamos, jersey number 4.
Idol, oh. Laro kayo.
Second personal foul.
Ay, nga na, Dol. Laro kayo, Dol, ah.
Mr. Pandao to wow. Attack for 3. Not good. Rebound by Mr. Bola sa zone 6. Mr. Colinares foul. Toink. Jersey number joint. 1 Castillo. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Connect. Fifteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. Not good. Rebound by Pandao again. Not good again. By Castillo. Not good again. Onabia. Not good again. Globa. Double D, Mr. Globa. Sheesh. Sabret. Back to the ball game. Mr. Takulod. 15 to shoot. Mr. Pandao. 10 to shoot. Spin move. Wow! What a pass! Not good, Pablo. Not good again, Pandao. Not good again. Villarosa. So, Mr. Gamos. Now, Bagam! Grabe yung rebound na ito yung buhay ni Mr. Castillo eh. Naong ang rebound. Mr. Takulod, atay for 3. Bang! 3 points. Mr. Takulod. Saltito, Martin Takulod. Time out rin. Back to the ball game, remaining time, last 6 minutes for the last quarter. Mr. Neri to Gamos. Gamos is still by Globa. Not good. Rebound by Mr. Fabre to Pandao. 15 to shoot, Pandao. Not good. Rebound by Mr. Globa. Mr. Gamos, nanggigil si Idol, connect, 2 points. Mr. Castillo. Mr. Pandao, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot, Pandao. Foul, Mr. Jersey number Globa. 23. First personal foul. First team foul. Last 6 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Good. Wow! No! Grabe flex fight. Bahay kay Mr. Castillo. Okay, sige, fliksan ka doy. Fliksan ka doy, Mr. Neri. 15 shoot. 10 to shoot. Nanggigil na si Idol. Di ba manisad pa? May foul! Jersey number 20, Villarosa. 23rd. Third personal foul, second team foul, remaining time 4 minutes and 30 for the last of the final quarter. Today again, Mr. Takulon.
Haya to eh.
15 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Mr. Colinares. Today 2 points.
Tanawa.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Connect 2 points. Onapia. Foul. Jersey number 1, Castillo. Second penalty. Penalty na rin. Second personal foul penalty. Remaining time 3-2-7. MG. Score. Davao ang kauna. 33-43 in favor of Secret. In favor of Zone 4, Pandao. No! Saan in number? Grabe na. Wow. Up. Sige nga amok kayo. Sabi ka binduan mo. Remaining time 3:14.
Rin. Yosi ko rin.
Foul! Pushing foul, jersey number 10, Mr. Neri. Winding for foul, fouled out. Third team foul. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Connect 2 points, Mr. Pandao. Bahay kay Pandao Pandao. Mr. Colinares. Kita sa punta na break pass. Time out rin.
Ano yung... Yun. Get it, Joe!
Onapia, kick out, Mindolon, connect, 2 points, Onapia. Foul! Mr. Castillo ang panalay sa Barangay 35, jersey number 1. Third personal foul. Penalty red. Situation. Remaining time 2 minutes and 29.
Bantay.
Kada ang among ba? Foul! Holding foul, jersey number 20, Mr. Villarosa. Di ko alam.
Ano yung match? Maro na. Ala.
10 shot clock to shoot, Mr. Villarosa warning for foul out. Is still by Mr. Bok. Mr. Bok. Not good, rebound by Mr. Pandao. Mr. Pandao. To Mr. Unabia to Mr. Takulod. Not good, patayan tiki. Mr. Gamos ang pamadali. Connect 2 points, Gamos. 1 minute and 40 seconds for the last quarter. 1 minute and 40. Istila si Idol. 15 to shoot, Tandao. 10 to shoot. Foul! Jersey number 24. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning pa rin. Warning. Remaining time 1 minute and 20. Mr. Pandao, 10 to shoot. Is still again. Mr. Pandao nagmamari. Onabia. Connect 2 points. Onabia. Seconds to play. 55 seconds. 15 seconds. Nagmamarili si Idol. Connect 2 points. 25. Last 40. Traveling si Mr. Panalay.
Ano siya?
Last 30.
Sure ball na kayo nga.
25. Last 20. 15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. What? Connect 2 points. Last 10 seconds. Last 5. Leader. Center. Pandao. Congratulations. Both teams. Picture tayo. Both teams. Ayos ako. Pictures ako.
Daog bay. Ito yung masulti. Plus 5. O, ikaw, di masulti. Good ka. Oy, ikaw. Di masulti. Good, champion. Ikaw. Di masulti. Nice game, ikaw. Cash out. Nice game.
Thank you.